Rent Cafe Apartment Rental Honest Review. Watch before using. You won't believe how many renters lose great apartments simply because they waited too long or missed key details. And that's where Rent Cafe comes in. Rent Cafe is an apartment listing and rental management platform used by property managers and renters across many cities. It helps renters search for apartments, submit applications, and manage rental payments online. Here's what most people get wrong. They think apartment hunting is only about photos and prices. Rent Cafe also shows availability, floor plans, and sometimes even application status. You can submit applications, upload documents, and pay rent through the platform, making the rental process faster and more organized. However, the surprising truth is that Rent Cafe listings are controlled by property managers, so response times and availability can vary. Rent Cafe is best for renters who want to streamline apartment searches and manage rent payments digitally. The surprising truth is that organized renters get better results. Rent Cafe helps you stay ahead. If you're planning to move, Rent Cafe is worth exploring. Subscribe to the channel for more housing tips and honest platform reviews.